This is my Hitachi.
We're sorry, your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again. This is a recording.
Yeah, this is an Hitachi C10 FSH sliding 10-inch miter saw chop box. It is awesome. It is still to date one of the best, and they still sell it. Chop boxes there is. Now the issue is it got broken. Boy, that's gonna get fixed too. I was getting out of my van. Look at that, it's bent too. I was getting out of my van, carrying it, and slipped and fell. This landed on top of me, blew my back out really badly. But the handle hit the ground and just shattered. There should be a big old handle here with the trigger. And there's not much left of it. And of course, in my fit of rage, I chucked it. But I was originally planning on buying a new one, but come to find out, it became such a good chop box, and it's so popular, it went from about $350 to, you can still currently buy it. It's old, it's been around, oh god, almost 10 years I think. You can buy it still, but it's about 600 bucks. Which I'm not showing out, and there's just nothing else in its class. The only other saw I've ever had that's as accurate or as good as this one was the old Makita's, and the Makita 1013 specifically. And if you have a Makita 1013, do not get rid of it like I did. It is still by and far the best chop box ever made, period. But we'll get into that some other day. But anyways, when I went to replace it, I simply can't afford to. They've made them ridiculously overpriced, and anything that's in the right price is just absolute garbage. So, what I've decided to do is rebuild it. I think it's fixable. It needs some 10 or 11 care, but I think with 3D printing, I can make a new handle, even if it's not exactly the same. Now, all of this shell covering here and all this stuff is unnecessary. All you need is these two mounting locations and a handle. And I think I could pull that off. So, the biggest problem is I don't have the original anymore to take measurements off of. Or most of the original. It literally shattered, and I chopped some of them. I do have these pieces, I do have these hole locations, and I do have this trigger, which still works. So, with 3D printing, I think we can rebuild this sucker. I really, really do. At least to where it's usable again. What do you guys think?